Hi, this is Tomahawk, and today I'm going to be making pumpkin bread. So, the first step of any kind of cooking is to wash your hands. I've already done that. And after that, you grease your pans. This is how I greased it. And then you heat up your oven to the right temperature. And so now I'm going to grate my squash. Oh. I'm gonna grate the vegetables. Okay. Now that I'm done with my grating, I'm gonna start the preparation. So, this thing apparently calls for 1 cup of water, but the zucchini and squash are a good substitute for it. So if you add water, it'll be too wet to bake. And it says you need a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, but the vegetable oil just moistens the bake good so that after it's baked, it doesn't dry up and goes stale really quickly. But the veggies that we're adding in already did a good job. And anyways, so eggs are the glue that holds everything together. And so when you add an extra ingredient, you add an extra egg. So instead of adding 2 eggs, we're adding 3 eggs. And because we are adding veggies to our mix. Now, if you want to add veggies to your mix, you don't have to get what we're using. If you have a garden, you just go out and use all the any of your leftover veggies from the garden. And anyways, let's get the mix in here. I'll need scissors for this. Go. So, I have my scissors. Now I am going to cut this open. Throw this in the trash. Back. Whee! I think we should take the grater out. It's getting the pumpkin mix on it. Anyway. And now we shall add our 3 eggs. Eggy. Egg. Egg. Get them tucked off good. Egg number 3. Now that we've got our ingredients in here, we are going to mix it. thing doesn't work, I'll use the spoon. Egg, egg, egg. We need you, egg. Mixed in. You, egg, egg. Now that now when you've finished mixing your thing together, it should look like this. And now you get your greased baking pan. You take a spoon and put it in the little hole things. This. So you fill your baking pan 2/3 of the way full with the batter. And I recommend you should have 2 pans greased and ready, so that just in case you have more batter, you can just put it in the other pan. This is my other baking pan. Just put this 2/3 full. You use it to scrape your bowl clean. Okay. Now that we're done with that, we will put our baking stuff in the oven. This is so scary. I took them out of the oven and then let them cool for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna take them out of the pan to taste it. Now these things pop out super easy. So now I've finished taking these out and I'm going to taste them first. I'm going to taste this very brown. These are very brown. You can really see the zucchini when it's cut in half, and you can get a good look at the inside. Anyways, let me taste this. Just all really good.